Hey guys, hello everyone. This is Karan and you're watching our channel Java by Karan. So, in the previous videos we have seen basics about Java. We have seen why we should go with this language. We have seen few points like why we should use this language, this technology. We have also seen coding conventions, uppercase, lowercase, camel case, Pascal case, and where those things are used. In this video, we will learn about how to comment in Java. All right. So if so, first question is if you want to maintain document, why we should comment. Firstly, we need to comment. Now, in the Java code, if you want to maintain documentation of source code, then we should use comments. Now, Java supports three types of comments. First, single line comment, and the shortcut key is Control plus Shift plus C, and we have multi-line comments, and this is called as documentation comments. Now let me show you it practically in Spring Tool Suite so that you will have a better understanding why we do need to comment. Now you can see here Spring Tool Suite. Now if I suppose I give my source code to one of my friend and tell him just go with the code. Now practically if you see in the industry there are lots and lots of lines in the code. So to to give the message that this line is related to this one, so to make that line meaningful, to make that to interpret it meaningfully, you need to, now I have commented by using double slash, and I will give the message this is hello world application. So we have commented it, and we have, this is called as documentation. Now this is single line comment. We have also multi-line comments. This is I have used shortcut key Control plus Shift plus C. Again, if you want to uncomment, you can press Control plus Shift plus C, and here we have uncommented the code back. Now let's go to our notes. So yes, next point we are covering data types. Data types, without data types there is no language, not even Java, not even C Sharp, no C and C++. In every language you have some data types. So first we will see why data types. I mean, why those data types are used. If you question this, then you will understand what is data type. Now first point is data types tells us how much memory is required to store the data. That is, it describes how much memory is required to store the data. It requires 2 bytes, it requires 4 bytes, it requires 8 bytes. So first point explains this. Second, coming to the second point, which kind of data memory can hold. Now which kind of data, kinds are given below, whether it is Boolean, whether it is byte, whether it is char, short, int, long, and in non-primitive types we have interface, class, enum, array. So second point explains this one. Now we have third point, which operation we can perform on the data. We have operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and many more operations. So this decides whether which data type to be used to store, to give the variable, to decide the variable. Okay, so in Java data types are classified in two types. First one is primitive type, Second one is non-primitive type. Now primitive type is also known as value types, and non-primitive type also known as reference types. All right. So value types. Now we will see value types, value type data. Now we have 8 value types: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So first one is Boolean, and default value of Boolean is false. If you don't give explicit value to the Boolean, it will be a false. Byte value will be, default value will be 0. Third data type is char. Char has a default value /u. Third data type is short, which is of 2 bytes, has default value of 0. And likewise integer has 4 bytes, default value 0. Long 8 bytes, default value 0. L, and so as on, and so on. All right. So we are known to, now we have known to the value types. Now we will see reference types. All right. So only 4 types are reference types in Java. Following are the reference types in Java. You can see over here: interface, class, enum, array. Don't worry guys, if you, even if you don't understand now, just take down the notes, just understand, yes, these are the things we are going to study in the code. So before before learning the code, you need to learn theory. So don't worry guys, just note down, jot down the points, take down the notes, study it, and as we go on with the coding part, all right, you will understand it better. As of now, what you do is just jot down the notes, jot down the points. Now interface, class, enum, array. I will show you in STS what is class. This is the class name, my first, and let me tell you, it is in a Pascal case. You can see first words, each words first letter should be capital. So it is a Pascal case. It is in a Pascal case. All right. So you can see a main method. Method name is main, and main method is in camel case. Camel case, where each word has its initial character capital except first word. So this its main word itself is the first one, hence m character in main is smaller. All right. And yes, now done with the reference types. You have short idea what are the types of reference types, and what we have seen the class name. All right, method name. Don't worry, we will see it in the briefly in the next video. Now we will see wrapper classes. Java has designed classes corresponding to every primitive type. Primitive type are the native types. Alright, so these are the primitive types. Java has designed classes corresponding to every primitive type. It is called as wrapper classes. Now all wrapper classes are final classes, so that we can extend wrapper classes. It is final, hence we can extend. All wrapper classes are declared in java.lang package. Java.lang package. I will show you in the documentation. Go to the Google, search for Java 8 API as we are, oh, I'm sorry, Java 8 API. Alright, click on the first link. You can see the Java documentation. You can see here packages, as I have shown you in this in the second video of Java lessons. Alright, so you can see here packages, and you can see here java.lang package. Java is the package and lang is the sub package of the same. And you can see in the box below, under the java.lang package, you have interfaces, you have classes, you have enums, you have exceptions, you have and errors, you have annotation types. So what we are going to see now is is wrapper classes. All right. So yes, I will minimize it. Yeah, I need to minimize this one. So first wrapper class we will see Boolean. Here you can see I have clicked on the Boolean. The superclass of all the classes is java.lang.object. Alright, object class is a superclass of all the classes in Java. Under the object class we have Boolean. Just notice that it is final class which extends object class which implements serializable and comparable. Alright, now we will see the next one, character. Click on the character and you will see the class character, which also is a subclass of object class under the java.lang package, which implements all implemented sub interfaces. Implements serializable interface and comparable interface. Now we will see the next, number. Number is also a wrapper class. We will search for number here. If we have found it and click on it, we have seen here java.lang package. As always, java.lang.object is the superclass. Under that we have number class, and you can see here java.lang.number is an abstract class because yeah, it also extends object. It implements serializable interface. Now it is abstract because number class is already extended by all these subclasses, byte, short, char. We will see it here. Now byte class. Yeah. Now here you can see why number is an abstract class. Now don't worry guys, abstract, I will explain it in the upcoming videos. As of now you just see that number is an abstract class. Byte you can see here final, it is a final class which extends number class, which I which extends number class, which implements comparable interface. All right. So yes guys, now we will see integer, long float double, integer. I will click on the integer. Superclass you can see object, subclass number. Again subclass of number is integer class. Integer you can see here final, which can be extended if it is final, which extends number, implements comparable interface. Alright, now we have seen integer. Let's see long. It is final, extends number, implements comparable interface. Now why do we need to use long? Long class wraps the value of the primitive type long in an object. An object of type long contains a single field whose type is long. So you can read in this way. Java documentations are very easy to learn, very easy to read, understand. You can see here fields, you can see here constructors which can be used in this class. We can see here methods. The method names are here, byte value, and all those methods in this class. Alright, so this all methods we do have. So we have more method details. If you click any method here to string, if you click, you can come here, you will come here and it will show how this method works and all the things. So yes, in the same way you can see the float and double in the Java docs here below. Float and double. So yes, you have double. You can read the details about this class, go through it. Unless you don't go through it guys, you will not understand what is actually going behind. Alright, so in this video we have learned wrapper classes, reference types, value types, In short, we have learned all the data types, what all data types are in Java. We have also seen comments. So here I'm in my video. In the upcoming video, we will learn more about Java. Yes. As of now, I'm signing off. Thank you. Thank you very much.